In this video, I'm going to talk about how to be attractive. You know how you look at somebody and you're just like, there's just something about them that's just beautiful, that just radiates kindness, love. They're beautiful from the inside out. That's what we're going to be talking about today. Number one tip is eye contact. Eye contact shows that you are paying attention, it shows that you are listening, and it shows that you care. Sometimes, we can be a little shy, we can get a little nervous, but it's very important to learn to make eye contact. It also makes you look confident, but part of eye contact is having kind eyes. So just like when you look, you don't have to kind of necessarily like stare somebody down and the kind eyes kind of goes with your whole facial expression. So instead of having like a mean look eye contact, you know how sometimes people can make eye contact but it kind of looks kind of mean or kind of scary? But smiling with your eyes is just kind of looking with kindness, not looking with judgment, not looking with hate, not looking with attitude. It's just kind of just looking with love, looking with care, looking with compassion. Number two is actually smiling. You can smile with your teeth, without your teeth, but honestly, the best smile is with your teeth because that's how you make that big smile. When you smile, don't restrict yourself. It's not that little. No, it's like, take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Relax your face, the muscles in your face. Relax your shoulders, the tenseness, just kind of relax. Take a deep breath. Breathe out all of the worrying, all of the stress. And just smile. Smile because you have life, because you are here, because it's a new day. Like, smile because God is with you. And that smile from within should come out. If you have something that makes you happy, don't shy away from smiling. Don't shy away from making your smile big. The bigger the smile, the better. Oh, but don't force the smile either. Like, if you don't want to smile and it's not there, you don't gotta force it. Because that doesn't look good. Another thing that makes you attractive is when you embrace yourself and be confident in who you are. That is attractive. When you can embrace your smile, when you can embrace the little quirks about you, anything that makes you different, anything that is different to other people but normal to you, and you just kind of embrace who you are, that's attractive. Because the confidence is a big factor in being attractive. Embrace how you dance, embrace your jokes, your laugh. And last but not least is being humble. Somebody who is humble is attractive. This doesn't mean that you're putting yourself down. This doesn't mean that you're not confident. No. Being humble to me means not being arrogant. There's a difference between being boastful and arrogant versus confident. Confident is silent for the most part. Confident is like from within. Confident is speaking positively about yourself and about other people, but it's not being boastful and it's not being arrogant. And so confidence paired with being humble, those two work together really well.